Hello everyone, today I'm gonna show you how to install and use dual Facebook account on Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. So first of all, go to Play Store and search it to Facebook, and at first install my Facebook from Play Store. Now I'm already installed my Facebook. This is my own Facebook. After that, click on to setting option, scroll down to advanced feature, scroll down to dual messenger, and then click on to Facebook, click on to install. Okay, now done. Now check on Facebook apps and the second Facebook apps. So that's it. So that's how you can do it.